Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your host Faik Hayat with you. Today we will see how we can create Cashmal account in real time and how we can use it in many ways. We will see from which merchant we can transfer funds to this platform. Like you can see here, we can transfer our Google Ads funds to this account, Google AdSense. I mean to say, from our ads in Google AdSense, the payment we collect, we can transfer it here, and like that, we have Skrill Merchant. We can use Skrill Merchant to transfer funds in Cashmal. If we have funds in our PayPal account, you have funds in your PayPal account and you want to withdraw it, you can transfer it in Cashmall. If you have funds in AliExpress or you have funds in Cashmall Limited, you can transfer it to AliExpress or from AliExpress to here. If you can see here a legal status, its legal status is Cashmall Limited is registered in England and Wales. Registration number is 11659363. It is safe and secure. Cashmall is SSL HTTP's transactions are also PIN secure. Easy to use. Its customer support number is 24/7 on call at uh, 447482880702 and their email is at support@cashmal.com. So we will see how we can sign up this account. If you want to join Cashmall, you can find joining link in my description. I have submit uh, joining link in my description. So we will not waste more time and we will see how we can join it. When you will click on a joining link, you will redirect to this page account for account creation. You will you will insert here full name like I have Faik Hayat. I have email address and here you will put your password with first letter capital and you have to insert some words and some phrases also. Please after submitting password you will check this box I read and agree to the terms and condition. After that, you will check in this box, I'm not a robot, solve the CAPTCHA, and you will click sign up button. After that, we will redirect to our dashboard. So after submitting your password, when I click on sign up button, that message flashes success account created on this email address for login. Click here. We will click here and we are redirected to login. After submitting password, we will solve the CAPTCHA and then click on sign in button. Okay friends, here we are at dashboard and if you can see you have three compromised password. I'll check them later. Enter email OTP code. They are asking for they are asking me to confirm the confirmation email from my email inbox, Gmail inbox. Click here for recent email. No, I have received that email and I am watching it on my cell phone. From there, we will insert code, the OTP confirmation code. I have it. 876 We will check this box. I'm not a robot. We will solve CAPTCHA, verify now. When you will submit your email address, you will also receive your confirmation code on your email. They are asking me to resubmit my password. After resubmitting my password, I will resume the video again. I have submitted 5-digit pin, and after that I click on the button create new pin. My pin is submitted. When you insert your new pin, write it down on your diary or somewhere in safe place. Now we will see how we will run this account. What are the main features? Manage fund. If we see in manage fund, first of all we have to check verification. What they need from us to verify. Country, I haven't selected country. We will select here Pakistan. Update my profile. Now we will see what merchants we have here. How many merchants? Credit card. Okay, we have option. We have a create card option here. Visa virtual card. If you want card, if you want its debit card, you can request here. Update profile. Pakistan. We will go in manage fund, deposit, transfer, withdraw, change, account statement, mobile voucher. If you let's check when we click on deposit, what options he gave to us here. Pakistan, update profile. Why are they asking again and again to choose country? Error transaction, pin not valid, please try. Oh, okay. We have to submit pin. Transaction pin, I guess I have to put here. That was the pin you are asking for. Yes. Now he accepted successful profile. Okay, now manage fund deposit. Okay, now here are the options we can use. Perfect money, Bitcoin, add ADV cash, Jazz Cash, Easy Pesa, bank transfer, Payer, Litecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, USDT. So now friends, if you want to buy USDTs, the TRC20 for Binance, for Trust Wallet, for any exchange to trade cryptocurrencies, you can buy from here. Okay, if you have dollars in your perfect money account, if you want to transfer them, you can transfer here, and then you can transfer them into Easy Pesa or in Jazz Cash wallets and withdraw. You can withdraw in Park rupees. And as you guys know, as you are following me on YouTube, I have submitted get like projects. When we earn 100 rubs in get like, we will withdraw them in Payeer, and 100 rubs is equal to $1. We will receive $1 in Payeer. We will withdraw Payeer from Payeer to Jazz Cash. Here we can transfer here. Okay, if you have any of these currencies with you in your dollars in your merchant accounts, you can transfer them here in Cashmal, and you can transfer them into your Park Rupees account. When we have funds here, will we can see in total credits, total debits, total withdrawals. You can see here partner companies, ad sites, virtual cards. You can request for your card, you can request for ads, you can request for anything. Sorry, new VCC creation is temporarily disabled. No, don't no issue. We don't want a debit card right now, but we will ask for this later. Okay friends, I am giving you my referral link, my joining link here in description. Please click on this link and create this merchant. We are going to use it very professionally in coming days. Thank you for watching.